Number 17. Which expression is equivalent to 8x in parenthesis x minus 7 minus 3 in parenthesis x minus 7 over 2x minus 14? Okay, so that means we have to solve it. Now, this is like kind of beauty of expressions, that you can take many ways to solve one question. So I'll try to solve with the easiest one. Okay, before starting the question, let's see. What if you have 4x squared minus 4y squared? So this is term 1 and this is term 2, right? Both these terms have 4 common in them. So I can take 4 common, right? So what is left inside? This is x squared from term 1, negative sign from here, and y squared from term 2. You can also call it as like opposite of distributive property. For example, if you have this expression, right, and you have to solve it, so you will multiply 4 with x squared and then minus 4 with y squared. So this is taking common, opposite of distributive property, and here I am applying distributive property from here to here. So both ways are just opposite, but both are needed in solving the equations. So let's see what our question is demanding. You can see this is one complete term, term 1. Term can have many factors, but they all are like 1 as 1. Here factors are 8 and x minus 7, and this is term 2, right? It has 3 and x minus 7. So you can see x minus 7 is common in both terms. It is in term 1 as well as it is in term 2. So we will take it common, right? And in parenthesis. Now what is left? Left is 8x from the first term and negative 3 from the second term. Okay, numerator solved, and from the denominator we can see 2 is common in both the terms. This is term 1 of the denominator and this is term 2 of the denominator. So if you do 2x minus 14, you can write it as 2x minus 7 times 2. So 2 is common in both, right? So we can take 2, and what is left? X from term 1 and 7 from term 2. Perfect. So x minus 7 and x minus 7 is common in both. So you can cancel them. And what is left? 8x minus 3 over 2. Let's see. Okay. So B is the right option. We have solved it definitely, but I just want to clear one or two concepts. For example, let's see the first step. Here we have x minus 7 and 8x minus 3. I have made one mistake over here, and the mistake is that I have to do x minus 7 in parentheses, right? And if I do not do that, that means I am just multiplying 7 with this 8x and 3, not x. And what is actually the overall factor? This is x minus 7 as one factor, and because it is as one factor, so it should be in parentheses. That's just a little small point which we should take into account every time. So yeah, I think we have done it. Yeah, so B is the right option.